minerals, and trace elements. These are required by the body and brain in minute quantities. The brain functions depend on adequate intake of magnesium, calcium, zinc, and a few other essential minerals. Boron helps improve thinking ability and remembering by improving our alertness and concentration. Research has shown that a deficiency in boron results in a decline in alertness and concentration, which resultantly affects the memory. Source: boron can be found in fruits and vegetables. Requirement: a daily consumption of 3 mg of boron for a prolonged period of time also enhances memory. Deficiency: boron deficiency affects motor performance, i.e., there is usually a slow reaction time to a stimulus. Zinc and iron also cause an impressive improvement in memory. Action of zinc helps to activate at least 80 nervous system enzymes involved in the thinking process. So, it is very essential for effective thinking. Zinc is also required to digest and utilize protein, from which the body tissue is made. Research showed that the blood level of zinc is less in senile individuals than much younger individuals. So it is advisable that the intake of zinc be more regular in senile individuals to help boost their thinking ability. Zinc and copper compete for the same absorption sites in the intestine. So excessive amounts of zinc can knock out the absorption of copper. A reasonable ratio for copper to zinc intake should is 2 mg to 30 mg. The deficiency of zinc and vitamin B6 can also cause dendrites to shrivel and die. The deficiency of copper and vitamin B6 can also cause weakness in mental performance. Requirement: daily intake of between 25 mg to 30 mg of zinc, usually in the form of tablets, for a prolonged period of time can produce a remarkable mental efficiency. Sources of zinc: red meat, egg yolk, oats, fish, beans, wheat, germ, sunflower seeds. Iron, memory mineral. Just like zinc, iron supplements cause an impressive improvement in memory. Research studies have revealed the importance of increasing the intake of these minerals. One mineral or trace element can upset the ratios of minerals to one another, so it is advisable to take them at separate times and usually under the guidance of a knowledgeable health professional. It is very important to note that taking iron together with zinc as supplements daily will not produce a significant improvement in memory, as iron and zinc interfere with each other's absorption. However, they don't when they are part of the entire diet. Requirement: a daily intake of 30 mg of iron supplement can improve the memory remarkably. However, separating the intake of iron supplement at one time and the intake of zinc supplement at another time will 31. The 5 pillars of mental fitness produce the desired result. In other words, it is advisable that one of the mineral supplements be taken in the morning with breakfast, while the other is taken in the evening with dinner. Sources of iron: red meat, chicken, beans, fish, oats, wheat, germ, sunflower seeds, egg yolk. Action of iron: each molecule of hemoglobin, iron-rich protein in the red blood cells, contains about 4 atoms of iron that make oxygen carrying possible. If there are too few red blood cells or they are too small, they can't deliver enough oxygen to every cell in the body, especially the brain, which requires much oxygen for efficient mental activity. Also, the low quality of the hemoglobin can be equally limiting. So enough iron is required for the formation of quality hemoglobin in the red blood cells in order to improve their oxygen carrying capacity, especially to blood cells where they are needed most, such as the brain cells during high mental activity. Iron's major task involves facilitating the blood's hemoglobin to carry oxygen to the cells and helping the body's protein to function properly. Very important note, any surplus iron just remains unabsorbed in the bloodstream and even constitute a risk in the sense that when oxidized it is converted to free radicals, which attack healthy cells. In other words, excess iron in the bloodstream is dangerous. So, unlike zinc supplementation, iron supplementation must be taken under the supervision of a knowledgeable health professional. In fact, it is likely that deficiency in vitamin B12 will result in poor thinking ability and memory than iron deficiency. Iron supplements are only advisable after a medical test has been conducted on the individual and an iron deficiency. Increase iron absorbability. The kind of iron found in fish and meat is about 40% absorbed. Rich sources of iron: fish, meat, chicken, and liver. Calcium and magnesium, a combination of calcium and magnesium play an essential role in the nervous system. When you combine 600 milligrams of calcium and 400 milligrams of magnesium, they help slowly put you to sleep. Magnesium forms part of a number of enzymes that aid protein, fat, and carbohydrate metabolism.
Now, if you have found this video useful, please click on the like button. Also, subscribe so as to get more useful videos that could help you in your mental health care. Finally, place your comment below to let us know what topics you are interested in knowing.